Hi guys, and welcome back to Coding, and today we're going to use Google Illuminate, which is an experimental technology developed by Google Labs. Illuminate lets you turn any source into an audio interview, like we're going to try here. So let's just jump into Google Illuminate. So now that we're in Google Illuminate, you can start generating by pressing this Start Generating button. So let's just click that. So you can paste a link or two in this URL box thing. Just press Ctrl V or Command V, whatever is fine. You can always paste another link, but I'm not going to do that. So you can also change your audio over here, but we're going to keep it casual. But if you're going to go free form, you can just select the voices you want, but it's fine. We can just do casual, relaxed, spontaneous conversation. Yep, that's all fine. So now we click generate. This usually takes about 30 seconds to.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now the recording has been saved, or the audio overview or interview has been generated, and now once you're done generating, you can play the recording by clicking this play button here.
This conversation is powered by Google Illuminate. Check out illuminate.google.com.
Okay, so this is how Google Illuminate is like. You can just click on this, and then it will bring you to this section. It's an experiment, a nice Google experiment over here. And now you can pause the thing. Yeah, just pause it. And then now you can the next part is you can share the link if you like with this share button here, but you have to save it first. So yeah, just click that save over here, and then you can copy the link and paste it somewhere else to share with anybody you want to share. And the next is we're going to view the library and how to use it in Google Illuminate. So next, to view all of your saved audio interviews, go to My Library, which is over here, and you will see two sections. One is Drafts, which will automatically delete your generations after 30 days, and the other is Personal, which is where all your saved generations are. To save your recordings, just click Save to Library, and let's see what the recording is like. So you just click play over here.
This conversation.
There you go. That's how you save a recording in your library, or more so a generation in your library. And we'll cover the next part of Google Illuminate, which is what it can be used for. Google Illuminate is great for creating audio interviews, but why would you need them other than just generating it for fun? Well, the thing is, it makes reading documents much more enjoyable. And I guess that's kind of the point. It's an AI experiment for people to experiment with. But we also have NotebookLM, which is almost the same thing. So what's the difference between Illuminate and NotebookLM? It is mainly that Illuminate is an experiment, not an actual product, unlike NotebookLM. Google Illuminate already has some of its features in NotebookLM that does almost the same thing, but should you expect Google Illuminate to shut down or merge with NotebookLM? Well, this is what I think the possible scenarios are. There are two possible scenarios. Number one is that Illuminate would remain to be a Google Labs experiment or become an actual product just like NotebookLM and stay unchanged. Number two is that Google Illuminate will integrate all of its features into NotebookLM and thus be discontinued. So the answer to this is not definitive because of the equal likelihood that both options can happen, as not all of Illuminate's features are in NotebookLM. Illuminate's audio interviews are also much more customizable down to the style and voice you want the AI interviewers to sound. And NotebookLM is more of a general purpose tool compared to Illuminate. So if you enjoyed the video, please consider to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!